In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of mail on your iPhone. If your inbox is a little too busy or you're switching devices, you might want to stop mail from syncing on your iPhone. I'll walk you through a simple way to turn off mail for a specific account, and I'll also show you how to fully remove that account from your iPhone if you need a complete sign out. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you control all your device preferences, including email. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Apps. This takes you to a list of the apps configured on your device so you can adjust how they behave. Next, look for Mail and tap it. Mail is the built-in app that handles most email services, and this is where all account-related controls live. Inside the Mail settings, tap Mail Accounts. This section shows every email account that's currently set up on your iPhone, so you can manage each one individually without affecting the others. Now select the email account you want to sign out of. Take a moment to make sure you're picking the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts connected, like work and personal. When you open that account's settings, you'll see switches for the services linked to it, such as Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. To stop email from syncing while keeping the account available for other services, toggle Mail off. This pauses incoming messages and notifications for that account in the Mail app. Your existing emails from that account will no longer appear in the Mail app, but the account itself stays on your iPhone, which is useful if you still want to keep things like Contacts or Calendars active. If you want to fully sign out, tap Delete Account. This option removes the entire account from the Mail app and from your iPhone's system settings. It's a clean break. Mail, contacts, calendars, and any other data tied to that account will be taken off the device. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your email from the provider's server. It only removes it from your iPhone. To finish, confirm by tapping Delete from My iPhone. After you confirm, the account is removed and you won't receive messages or notifications from it anymore. That's it. You've either turned off mail for a single account or fully signed out by deleting it from your iPhone. Choose the option that best fits whether you want a temporary pause or a complete removal.